Hello everyone, I'm Shanaz Malik and you're watching Data Analytics Professionals and let's jump into today's lecture topic. Now, as all of you are aware that this is a lecture series on SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and today's lecture will be on SQL insert select statement, and this is lecture number 38 in the series. Well, I suggest if you haven't watched my previous lectures, it's best to watch them from the beginning. But if you are aware what you are doing and what you need to learn, then I'm here for you to make it happen. Okay. Now, SQL insert statement, SQL insert select statement is used to insert new records in a table from another table, could be from another database. Now the syntax is given here. If you see insert select, syntax is simple. So insert into table name, okay, and then once you give the table name and you show the columns, and then you pick the values for that column. So those columns. So if what I'm requesting, insert in these columns, column 1, column 2, column 3, then I am picking values from a select statement. Okay, so I'm picking 1, 2, 3 because I need 3 values from another table. Other table could be from other database, and we can put conditions if we need to. Okay, but we not necessary, but you can. So don't use select all, be specific in case table structure might change in future. Okay, this is just a caution. Now let's open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and have a quickly check on what we are looking to get in this case. Okay, now here is my studio. I'm already in, and if you are not in, then please do so. Now you've remember in previous video, previous lecture, we created customers, we inserted uh, some values in it. I think I have one value in it, and let's check that value. Okay, so if I use I'm going to use Data Analytics Professional DB, which I have created in previous one of my previous videos. So let's select first. Let's check what's inside my database and inside the table called customers. Okay, let's check first. So here it is. Check. I'm going to execute this query. So here it is. It's just one record, right? As in the previous video I've shown it to you. Okay, now here is insert into. Okay, here is this insert into, and then table name. I'm requesting insert into table name, so I'm giving the table name as customers. Then I'm saying, okay, I need first name. I need to insert into first name, middle name, and last name. And the values, I'm using the select statement. In previous video, we used values and we gave the values, but here I am picking those values from select statement, which is first name, middle name, last name. Okay, from Adventure Works 2017, and this is the name of the database, and this is the table, schema and name. Now, what I'm doing basically, I am going into my, you see this database. I am picking from this table, and I'm picking first name, middle name, and last name, and whatever I'm requesting, everything. I need everything. I mean to say all records, but only these columns: 1, 2, 1, 2, and these 3. Okay, first name, middle name, last name. That's what I'm doing here. So let's execute this. Now if you see how many rows are affected and affected, okay, let me show you through how many rows are affected. Now it's 19,972 rows I fetched into my database. I mean, say into my table, customers. And we can verify that. So it was so quick and so easy. Okay. Now if you want me to show you, uh okay, we need to go back. Now I previously I executed this query. Okay, this and it was only one row, and now I'm going to execute it again, and let's see the result. You see, and it's better to show you through magnifying glass. Okay, you see, so this was my, you see, first record is there, customer ID 1, Shaz, middle name H, Malik. We did it in previous video, and now you see how much is inside it. And I can show you how many records are actually there. You should see 19973 rows got inserted into it. And this is the wonderful way, when you have to fetch the data from some database and you need to do some data analysis or data science projects. This is one of the ways, if you want not to touch with the original database, if somebody wants to give you data and work on that data. So this is the way to do it. And okay, now if you understood all this, and then I can basically do it, bring it to the normal. Okay, uh so we take it off, don't like it. Okay, so where we have been here. Okay, so this is I showed you now insert select syntax. I insert into table, I showed you the column names, I then selected the values which I want to put inside here. I selected them from a query and from table, which was from another database basically, and that's it. And I hope that it's simple to the point. There's nothing more to talk about this now in this lecture. Anything advanced level, I will go into advanced slow and steadily when the time will reach. You please stay tuned, and until then, my request is simple. Please subscribe, connect to my account if you haven't done until now. If you haven't done it until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in next video. Until then, I thank you all for watching. Data Analytics Professionals. Time to say goodbye.